Maybe she's full. Oh no. I'm filming it.
It's in there. She doesn't know it's in her mouth.
We are feeding a worm, a night crawler, to a little baby bird that fell out of a nest and I guess is abandoned by the parents. The bird's been out there for 5 or 6 hours and nothing has come to the rescue except us. So hopefully we'll be able to save this bird so it could live. Look at that little baby. Slightly got some little feathers. Just hatched. Is that stomach supposed to be like that, or is that from the fall?
I have no idea.
Me neither. We don't know if this little baby bird is hurt or not because it fell from, it looks like what appears to be a gutter that's maybe 20 feet up.
We got a little bit of worm in him, but he's little, so we can't give him too much.
Alright, we'll take it back up later.